I'm in a really hard spot right here. After that little pull I just did, I looked down and felt something on my foot. Yes, I was going 120, 130, I don't know. I was just putting my head down, ripping on it. And I felt something on my foot, and I looked down, and it happened to be this fairing piece resting on my foot. So I look down, I immediately pull over on the side of the road. I'm right here right now. As you can tell, that bottom part, the blue part of the fairings that I once had are probably on the side of the road back there. I'm not really too worried about it. It doesn't seem fixable to me. It looks like it snapped in half right there, so I don't think you can fix that. I'm not duct taping or gluing a fairing kit. So I honestly don't know what to do. I'm being honest, at this point, my installation I don't think was half bad. I'm not blaming the company at all. I'm a firm believer in some things just happen, and maybe a couple bolts up here got loose and the thing flew off. I don't know. But for it to rip, to not even hang on to the blinker, like the thing just flew off at that speed. So this is 100% real. I don't know what to tell you. I would never want to do this to my bike, slander a company. These fairings were absolutely awesome. What I think happened is the wind took it, and look, like all these bolts just flew out. They're probably still attached to that other piece. I just don't know what to think right now. Oh, I'm gonna have to go back to stock, it looks like. I feel so bad. I don't know what to think at this point. This is just off the top of my head. Oh man, this just looks so, just a shitty situation. It looks so good. I think that's what I'm most bummed about. Like, these fairings were so nice and clean. I don't blame the fairings at all. I just can't believe the thing flew off. I guess the only thing I can do right now is take off this piece that's flapping, set it on the side, go try to ride down and find the other piece. If this bike's even, I don't want to send any other parts into the road, endangering other people. But I'm going to set that piece to the side, go try to find the other one if I can, see how banged up that is. Oh my God. This is ridiculous, man. I'm sorry, you guys. It's nuts. I wonder if I caught it on film at all. I'm going to leave that piece here, come back with the car, and I'm going to try to find this other fairing piece. But it's also 5 o'clock traffic on a small road, a one-way road basically. Oh my God, I'm sorry, Kill Fam. This bike was so clean, so clean. I was just bragging about it, how clean it was, and now I'm picking up half of it on the side of the road. And there she is sitting right there. How am I gonna go get her? Let's park this right here. Don't tip over. You win some, you lose some. I lost one today, and by one I mean a fairing kit. Now my R6 looks like that, and I'm walking on the side of the road, picking up half my bike. Even the paint looks good. This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Still connected here. I want to know how it fell off. I do not know how this thing flew off like that. It's still intact. Look, it's like it completely snapped that. That's insane. This is still attached. The blinker's still on. I don't know if this might be salvageable. Haven't figured it out yet. Look, this bolt's there. It's not like it was unbolted. That's the thing. Maybe at that speeds my front couldn't take it. I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm gonna leave it here. I guess I'm gonna come pick it up in my car. I'm gonna set it over here and hide it so I can come get it later. It's the only thing I can do. If not, someone has half a Killakam fairing, you're welcome. So I just got back from picking up the pieces on the side of the road, and my only idea that I have is a bolt up here came out and just allowed wind to get underneath it, and this thing just took everything off with it in its path. It's kind of funny now because life just happens. You can get upset about this, but I do not blame this company or this plastic. And honestly, for the thing to fly off at 130 miles an hour or 120, whatever it was, I just don't know. I can't. It's funny now just because I just don't understand. I do not blame this company for this plastic, because look, I'm trying to like abuse it right now and the thing's just eating it. I just don't understand how it just flew off at that speed. Only positive out of it is it didn't just fall off and go underneath my tire at that speed, because I would be probably not able to complain about these fairings. I'm gonna order these pieces again because I love this black, I love this blue, I believe in these plastics. I just can't explain what happened. Like, my bolts are still there. Okay, I have one zip tie. I might be at fault for using one zip tie, which is still attached, man. Like, even the screws I put in, they're all still there. It's all still there. This just completely destroyed itself. I don't think the bottom part, that was probably the last piece to fall off, to be honest. The front snap, I don't know. I apologize, YouTube. I thought I was done with this bike, getting there, almost polishing it off how I wanted it to look like, and I'm taking a few steps back. Sorry about this video, you guys.